Are you tired of toggling between your broker's platform and TradingView while trading? Meet KredKonnect, your all-in-one solution to streamline your trading experience. Seamlessly integrate your broker account with TradingView using our browser extension and revolutionize the way you trade. Why choose KredKonnect? Effortless installation. With just a few clicks, you can have KredKonnect up and running as a Chrome browser extension. No complicated setups, no tech-savvy requirements, it's that simple. Trade directly from TradingView. Experience the freedom to execute trades directly from your TradingView chart. No need to switch tabs or platforms, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Full broker functionality. KredKonnect lets you harness the full spectrum of trading options provided by your broker, seamlessly accessible on your TradingView chart. Manage orders, access option chains, and leverage the power of Greeks, all without leaving your chart. Option chain visibility. Get a comprehensive view of the option chain directly on your TradingView chart. Make informed decisions with ease by having all the data you need in one place. Auto strike selection. Worried about choosing the right strike price? KredKonnect's unique feature allows you to automatically select strike prices based on the spot price, eliminating guesswork from your trading strategy. Efficient order management. Keep track of your orders and manage your open positions right on your TradingView chart. Stay in control and stay focused on your trading strategies. Advanced target and stop loss. Set both target and stop loss orders effortlessly, enhancing your risk management strategy. Take control of your trades with precision and confidence. Auto trail targets and stop loss. KredKonnect empowers you to automatically trail your targets and stop loss orders, ensuring you secure your profits while minimizing potential losses. One-click trading. Execute trades with a single click, minimizing delays and optimizing your entry and exit points. Take advantage of market opportunities swiftly and efficiently. Fast and user-friendly. KredKonnect is designed with speed and user-friendliness in mind. It's engineered to seamlessly integrate into your trading workflow, enhancing your trading experience. Upgrade your trading game with KredKonnect and simplify your trading journey. Say goodbye to the hassle of navigating multiple platforms. Embrace a new era of integrated trading. Ready to experience effortless trading? Install KredKonnect now and trade like never before. Your path to seamless, efficient, and intuitive trading starts here. Disclaimer: KredKonnect is a trading tool that integrates with TradingView. It does not provide financial advice, and all trading involves risk. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before using the software.